Escape to Kalidon Hotel, a poetic embrace of nature and luxury on Samos Island. Where the Aegean whispers to the wind and the olive trees stretch toward golden skies, Kalidon Hotel stands as a tranquil haven that gently bridges untamed nature with refined elegance. Nestled on the northern coast of Samos Island, this boutique sanctuary invites you to leave behind the ordinary and step into an immersive experience of beauty, comfort, and poetic serenity. Samos, one of Greece's most lush and storied islands, is known for its vivid landscapes, rich mythology, and relaxed sophistication. Kalidon Hotel captures this essence, offering more than accommodation, it offers an invitation to reconnect. Every room is a dialogue between nature and luxury, designed with meticulous detail that honors both comfort and authenticity. From the earthy tones of its interior to the panoramic views of the endless sea, the hotel breathes harmony. What distinguishes Kalidon Hotel is not only its setting, just steps away from the famed beaches of Kokkari, but its philosophy. This is a place where hospitality is elevated to an art. The staff, discreet yet ever present, welcomes each guest like an old friend, curating experiences that echo long after the journey ends. Begin your day with a breakfast infused with local flavors, honey from Samos hives, homemade pastries, sun-ripened fruits. As the sun climbs, wander through the village or lounge by the crystalline waters. For those seeking activity, hiking trails and historical ruins lie nearby, offering cultural depth to your retreat. When night falls, Kalidon becomes a sanctuary once more, where cicadas sing lullabies and the moonlight dances across your balcony. But Kalidon Hotel is not merely a beautiful place. It is a feeling. A sense of stillness that comes when luxury is quiet, when elegance is effortless, and when time seems to slow down. For travelers who seek more than just comfort, who yearn for connection, storytelling, and the enchantment of place, Kalidon is your escape, your return, your memory waiting to be made. Are you ready to let the winds of Samos carry you toward the embrace of Kalidon Hotel?